Thank you for joining me on the channel. Today I'm installing the toe kicks in the Ikea kitchen. When I was doing the kitchen, Ikea was out of stock on the toe kicks, so I made my own from the leftover end panels. When you cut the end panel to install at the end of your Ikea cabinets, there's excess product you can use. These are the tools you'll need. I used a circular saw and a guide to make sure I had straight lines. I recommend respirator as the dust is not good to breathe in. Also hearing protection, safety glasses. You'll need a pencil and measuring tape. Time to grab the measuring tape and get the dimensions of the toe kick. Mark the end panel and put the circular saw to work. Quick tip, I tried to have the finished edge in contact with the floor. I did this in case the toe kick comes in contact with moisture over the years. With the toe kick cut, mark where it will attach to the legs. Then draw the lines on the back of the toe kick where the leg hooks will attach to the legs. To attach the leg hooks to the toe kick, I use command strips. To make sure the command strips adhere properly to the toe kicks, you'll have to apply pressure to them for several minutes. I sped up the video here as applying pressure is not super exciting to watch. As you slide the toe kick into position, make sure the hooks align with the legs. If you're happy with the alignment, slide the toe kick in and click into place. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe.